So you didn't think that I had teeth problems? Well, I do. These were all removed. So instead of paying tens of thousands of dollars for some veneers and causing myself extra pain because I hate pain, I decided on, I took the leap. Yes, I did. And it was so worth it. Let me show you how easy they are to get in. These will change your whole life. And there you go. Baby, you can't tell me nothing. Because this celebrity smile, yeah. Try Pop-On Veneers. Make sure you reach out to them. It is well worth it. This is life-changing. My confidence is now on 10, y'all. 10, and I can eat everything with these on. You do have to get used to them, but it's well worth it. So take the leap.